Hello. Okay, today we're going to learn how to make our first line of code in Python. So first of all, we have to open our IDE. So yep, the IDLE. So we're going to learn how to make the computer or make the idle print something or whatever you want. So print meaning is like saying to the computer, you're asking the computer to say something for you. So yeah, you gotta say. So it's like instead of saying say hello, you gotta say print, and in quotations, because that indicates that it's a word. You gotta say whatever you want to say. So in this case, hello world. Then just press enter, and there you go. Another way to do this is to open a new file, which is not actually the same as the shell. The shell is like the main part. So this is like the back programming side. So it's like you can say this also. You can do the same thing over here. It means the same. And then you just save the file. Okay, and then you run it. And there it is. So it's all the same, but your programming line it has to be the same. So, and another thing we can do over here is you can print a few things at once when you're not at the shell. So when you're at the shell, you only can print once at a time, but when you're in the new page, you can print whatever you want. You can say hello US or something, and you can print more, like whatever you want. You can say maybe I love ice cream or something. Then you can just run the thing. By running, you can either go to this run part and press run module, or you can see it's written F5, so you can also press F5, and it just prompts you to save it, but it's already saved. So yeah, it prints all of this at once. So that's all. Thank you.